Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you another cute wig that I received from DivasWigs. If you're watching this video and you haven't joined the family yet, please do click the subscribe button and also make sure you click your notification button so that you know when I upload videos. So they did send me a sample to show which one is a Swiss lace invisible HD lace. So yeah, the invisible lace is thinner, it's lightweight, it's breathable. I'm just showing you the difference between the fake one and the normal HD lace, but let's hope you guys can see the difference. Like seriously, I'm a bit confused because obviously this looks much more, I don't know. And so the lace is good for protecting your hair as well. It doesn't, you know, cause friction on your hair, but like I always say, you guys, when you're applying your wigs, make sure you don't apply them directly to your edges. Like seriously guys, never do that, okay? Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what the unit looks like. So the unit comes in this cute little white box from DivasWigs. As you can see, you guys, I do love their packaging. The packaging is just like so gorgeous. Like you can actually store your wigs in the packaging if you prefer. Oh, it's opening. You can actually keep your wigs in the boxes if you're someone who like to keep their wigs like stored away in boxes. This is like a very good box to keep your wig in. So they also sent in a wig bag, so if you prefer, you can put your wig in here and then put it in the box, or you can actually keep it in this cute little pouch or something like that. So yeah, so they also sent in a wig brush. They also sent in detachable, you know, elastic band or strips. So I'm just showing you guys what the unit looks like. So this is what the unit looks like. So you saw those adjustable elastic band that are showing you guys. The detachable ones, you can actually attach them right here. You can use the combs as well. It's got some combs. It also does have some adjustable strips at the bottom, just here. And as you can see guys, these knots are bleached. You can see the brown kind of golden color here. You can see that the knots are bleached, and it is a pre-plugged unit, so it is a bonus. You can see right here that it is like so gorgeous. And this is undetectable lace. As you can see right here, you guys, it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I've attached my invisible, I've attached the detachable bands or elastic band right here, so you can actually adjust according to your size to fit. This is what the unit looks like straight from the box. Like I said to you guys, this comes pre-plugged. You can see that it has been pre-plugged, as you can see right here. Like they did an amazing job. Like I feel like we companies should do this. Like I know sometimes you need to personalize your unit, but if a unit comes like this, you guys, I feel so good because it means less work on me to install my unit. Like it is just a ready to go kind of unit. They did an amazing job personalizing this unit. I just love how it feels. This is absolutely invisible. Like that looks absolutely natural. This is gorgeous. Like can you see, it looks like it's growing from my scalp, but this is absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna trim this excess lace off. So in this video, you guys, I'm just gonna show you guys that you can actually rock this unit without gluing it down. So as you can see, there's no glue, nothing right here. Okay, it is just my wig cap underneath there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start styling my unit without gluing it down. So I hope you guys will be able to enjoy this video. Okay. I've finished cutting off the lace. What I'll do is I will go ahead and tighten up my unit so that it sits without the glue or anything like that. It's a free part unit, so you can part it anywhere. As you can see right here. Oh wow, I love the parting space as well. You can part all the way up to here if you are someone like me who loves deep parting. I'm just using my age tamer, you guys, just to define my pattern, because it does come with a pattern already and it was on the other side, so I've changed my pattern. So I feel like I still need to remove my wig cap. I think I need to wear like a darker one, or the one that matches this. Can you see here? Because I pulled it all the way to the back, you can see it right here. So I'm just gonna take it off. As you can see, guys, I removed my wig cap and it's looking very natural up to here and looking a bit more darker right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use like my concealer brush just to blend everything. I think that looks a bit more natural. So you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my stretching comb just to define my pattern a little bit more. We want this to look as natural as possible. Guys, let's appreciate oh my god, let's appreciate this natural looking lace. And can you see, guys? Can you see how natural that looks? Like, seriously. Oh wow. Oh wow, you know. Okay. Sometimes I don't have time to lay down my my unis. I just wanna pop the wig and go like we used to do back in the day. Okay, before all these lace frontals came, we just used to put the wig on and then be out of the door. So let's go ahead and use my wrapping foam, and I'm using the Cream of Nature wrapping foam just to you know, make it look a little bit more natural.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
I really hope you guys do like these talk through kind of videos. Like, let me know in the comment section down below. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a few minutes, at least 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll be right back with you guys. So this is the big reveal. Here we go. Yes, girl. Can you see that, guys? Like, let the camera focus for a little bit. Can you see that, guys? This is just the wrapping mousse. Like, I haven't used any got2b glued spray. Can you see how flawless it looks? Like, what lace, you guys. Like, visible lace is actually melting on my scalp. I'll let you be the judge of this, you guys. Like, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So I'm just gonna use my powder brush just to blend everything here. Just when I did apply wrapping mousse, it did take away some of my makeup. Okay, so let's just try and blend all that out. This unit takes in the heat so well, you guys. That takes in the heat so well. I'm not going all the way extra. I don't have time for that. Like, I just don't have time for that.
It's fake kills.
One time. Standard. One time. Sporty baby. Lego. Passing the prime.
So hi guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this unit, you guys. Like, I love that it is an easy install kind of unit. Like, seriously guys, I love this. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite units. Like, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. The installation was so easy for me. Like, I just loved the fact that you can actually rock this unit without going all the process of gluing it down using different kinds of glues or gels or got to be glued. Like, you can actually rock this unit straight from the box without doing all that. So if you're someone who loves a unit that feels a little bit on the lighter weight kind of unit, this is the unit that you can rock, you guys. It looks absolutely natural. So I did not experience a lot of shading with this unit, you guys. As long as you are patient and you give yourself some time to learn how to wear these units, you guys, you will be wearing these units like a pro. This is gonna be my go-to unit. Like, when I'm going to work, you know, when you wake up early in the morning, you don't have time to lay your wig down. Like, it happens to me most of the time. I struggle a lot in the morning because it takes my time. Okay, so having this unit is like, oh my god, a lifesaver to me, because I can easily wear it in the morning after a shower. Just put it on and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, reshare and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.